Rowserworld.
What I'll do, let me draw a couple of little, boxes like this. So this will get you in the mindset of being able to focus on what you're drawing. Okay, so I want you to picture looking through you're looking through a box and what that person looks like inside that box, right? That's what we're doing right here. So when we start drawing the eyes, this will make you focus on that area only. So forget about the rest of the picture and let's just draw her eyes. So if you want to, is it better, guys, if I make the picture bigger, or can you see the picture here? If I leave it here like this, can you guys still see the picture itself? Is it pretty good? Or I don't know, some of you guys might be watching on your phone, so it might be like this small. So okay. Anyway, when you guys let me know. Okay, here we go. So let's go ahead and do this. We can start with the eyebrows or the eyes, either one. Okay. So we're gonna do this here. Alright. And then we'll come in here and we'll look at some eyes that kind of feel like her eyes. So let's look at I think something like, let me see. These over here might work. Look. You see these ones right here? Okay. So this is how we'll make the eyebrows thick. Because remember, only your eyes and the top of her nose. You'll be able to see the top of her nose here. Okay? But this will help you once again focus. Okay? Now we're going to draw these eyes here. Okay? Just like that. Okay? See that? Okay. It's better when it's bigger? Okay. Let me save this here then. I'm going to actually save a couple of them. This way I don't have to keep bouncing back and forth between these. So let's see here. I'm just finding somebody with interesting. Oh, she has it. Looks like an interesting character too. Let's save her. Okay. They have some really cool pictures to draw from here. I like using Pinterest, and then you can get guys, you can get girls, whatever from here. Let's see. What about this guy? He looks like a pretty good guy. He looks like a friendly guy. We need some friendly faces. That helps when you want to draw, to have a friendly face. You know what I mean? Look at this guy. He looks friendly. Let's practice on him too. All right, and let me see here. Oh, that guy right there, definitely. He has a different look. That's why I'm looking. It helps when your person that you're drawing has something you can grab on to, to make them be able to. Okay, let me see here. Oh, wow, that guy looks weird. I mean, weirdly different. Okay. Look at her. Don't she look determined? You better get my picture right. Okay, let's see who else we got here. See how we use the... Oh, look, she looks different. That's definitely a different looking face right there. Okay. Oh, okay. It'll just tell you, Daniel, it's just a... Well, hold on. What I'll do is... It's pretty self-explanatory. If you go to the classes link, it's a link that has classes, and then you pick what day you want the class, and then it does everything else for you. All right, let me see here. So we can start with where was we at? We were on. Where is she? I think I was in another folder. Let me see. Okay, here I was. And this is her. This is the one we're working on right now. Okay. Alright, Alright, so now what we're doing, once again, we're practicing like if we're looking through a little glass like this. You see what I'm saying? So we can see that. So this is what we're going to do here. We drew the top lid of the eye. With females, I always want to start with that top lid and make it a little dark right there. And then I'll go ahead and I'll draw the little top piece right there, right? And then look, I'll go ahead and I'll draw her eye ball in there, right? Leave a little bit of light in there, but make them real easy. Okay? And then the bottom, even though it looks like it's touching in the picture, I always make mine don't touch. So I'll make this line right here a little bit less intrusive. So I'll go with a thin line here. You see how much depth that gives the eye when you draw it as a caricature. So see how easy and basic and simple that shape is. That's all you have to do, guys. Real easy, basic, and simple shape there. Okay. All right. So we're gonna practice on some more faces. We're gonna do some more eyes here. So let's go ahead and close this one here. Actually, hold on a minute. All right. So let's go ahead and let's close her eye and let's find another set of eyes. Okay. Once again, we're gonna practice. I know she looks kind of, but this is just so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay. You see that right there? This is what we're going to be drawing right here, okay? So once again, guys, if you're new to the stream, welcome. I am the Rouser. I'm a professional caricature artist. The purpose of the stream is basically just me practicing. And then, I try to share as much information as I can with you during the live streams. Feel free to ask questions, make comments, but please just try to keep it respectful. Thank you so much. If you want me to draw for you personally, right here live on the stream, celebrities are $5, personal drawings $15, and that means you can get your mom drawing, your dad drawing, whatever, and we drawing right here live on the stream. So I'm going to put her on, or that person on the screen for you, and you can watch it unfold right before your eyes, right? All right, so let's go ahead and try to do this picture right here, okay? So once again, we can see where the top of our nose shape will kind of go right here, okay? This is going to make us focus inside the box. What are we drawing? This is a very important skill to master as a caricature. So you got to be able to put your eyes in your focus where you want them at, okay? Because your eyes will tend to wander and want to put put too many details in the picture because you can't focus on what you're looking at. So you really want to do that, okay? So what I'll do here is this. For this picture, check it out. I'll draw the bridge of the nose, right? And then watch this. We'll go ahead and see how our eyes are bent in like that? Look at that. See how it's bent in? Okay, now watch. You see my basic shape there? Now watch, I'm gonna go with my tree leaf shape, right? So here we go. Okay. Okay, now watch. Okay. This is how you draw somebody when their eyes are squinting. See how her eyes are squinting? Just like that. This is how you do that, okay? And then you put your little dot in there like this, right? And then you put a little dot like this. Okay? And then we'll just put some light in the eyes. So I'll draw some little circles, some really light circles in there like this, okay? Okay. And then we'll put a little line down here. Line right here, and then we'll put our little eyelashes just like so. Okay. Alright. And pretty much, guys, that's all you have to do. Okay, Daniel, I'll see you later. If you have any more questions about the about the web, how to book classes with me online, just send me a message through Messenger, and then I'll see if I can help you out the best way I can, my friend. But I thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you. All right, so let's continue, guys. We're gonna do some more eyes here. Today we're practicing some eyes. We're also gonna be doing a caricature up next of Sean Connery. So that's gonna be awesome. Let's go ahead and get her face real quick. Let's see here. Now these type of eyes. Let's go ahead and get her focused in there. Now, even though her face is turned this way, I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll turn our paper this way. Nah, I'm just messing with you. We still can draw it this way. It doesn't matter. Okay. Once again, it's about learning how to master shapes. Okay. So this is her little nose. Okay. See her little nose, right? Okay. And then watch. Okay. Okay. Keep your shapes basic and simple at first. This is beginners. You want to keep your shape. It doesn't matter if you've been doing this for your whole life. When you get away from doing it this way, then things don't. Your caricature is going to really suffer. So you really want to do it this way. Okay. Now let's go ahead and do our eyes. So once again, we're going to start with that top lid using my tree leaf technique. If you haven't seen the tree leaf technique, you want to go ahead and check that video out. Just put Rowserworld tree leaf technique or Rowserworld how to draw eyes, but specifically put tree leaf technique. So let's see how I did. I drew the top line of the eye, okay, and then watch this. Okay. Now, when you want to put the eyes for this one, in order for it to look like this, you might be tempted to draw it exactly like you've seen it. But in a cartoon, it's a lot different. And let me tell you why. The more white you leave in the eye, the more seductive the eye looks. Okay, you ever seen something? So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you this in principle. Watch. I'm gonna draw a very small pupil here, right? And then I'm gonna put a little dot in the middle. Okay, see that? Now watch. When I put on the bottom, I'm gonna put a really light line, like real light. I'm gonna leave a lot of white showing though. See how light that line is? Okay? You see how it, now watch. Now what we gotta do is put our little lashes in there. Check it out. That's it. Darken that lash line a little bit more. Okay. And then look, we'll go ahead and we'll just we can color these in. Whatever color we want there, we can just use a regular little stroke right there. See how we make it look like a cartoon? It's real easy. See, little tricks like this will make you, and then watch this. What we can do, I'm going to take out a little gray here. Okay. But first, I'm going to put a little circle in this. I'll put a really light circle on the eye. Okay. And then look, this is what we'll do. This is a little makeup. Right. Right. Just like that. See how that is right there? It's real easy. Real easy little basic eye shape right there. Okay. So it's really, really, really simple. So these eyes feel like her eyes. I'm trying to help you to understand that the shape. Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate guys to go ahead and give us a like.
Also, guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also, guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.